Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have a little DIY for you, and it is transforming a typical skeleton into a woman, adding hair and makeup to the skeleton so that it looks like a woman. Now as you see them right now, it looks like the man and the woman. But we are going to transform this into a woman, make this one look like her. So all you will need is some markers. You're going to need a red marker. This is a Sharpie. I also have a black Sharpie and I have a thinner one here. So you will need those. You will need double-sided tape, a pair of scissors, and a ribbon. I have a black ribbon here. Okay, so why don't we turn this one into a woman? The first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take the eyebrows. See the eyebrows? So I'm going to fill the eyebrows in. Okay, it's already starting to look different with the eyebrows. So now we are going to take the red one and we're going to paint the lips. It's not perfect, but it's already starting to look different. Oh, and never mind my nails underneath. That's just the glue from my nails. So the face is already starting to look different. Now I did, I did use, for this one I used, I think it was a lipstick, a red lipstick. I was trying to put some blush on her, but it didn't work out. That just looks like it's just red. But anyway, I'm going to do the same here, but with this marker. And if it doesn't work out, it'll just look like it might be blood. Okay. So let's see how it looks, but I am going to add the hair to it. Okay. So look at both of them. So let's add some hair. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to take the double-sided tape. And we're going to place it right on top of the skull. Like that. Okay. That's all you need as far as tape. Because remember now, when I cut the ribbon up, it's going to stick to the skull because it has a double-sided tape. So let's take a piece of this ribbon that you see here. And we're going to measure it. So let's say we want the hair to be this length. We're going to cut it like right about here. So you have a piece like this. So let's cut another one. So now I have two pieces like this. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to cut here, just up to where I can. Look here, this is where we should be looking. See how it looks a little bit like it's hair. Let's do the same to this side. So on both sides you can see that I cut it like that. So let's place it on top right here, like that. See how it sticks because it has the double-sided tape. So now we need more hair on it. So we're going to do the same thing with the other piece of ribbon. We're going to try to cut here. Make it look like that. And on this side, okay, so now we have a piece that looks like that on both ends, and we're going to add that to the back of the skeleton. Not the back, but right on top, like this. Now we could do more. See what I'm saying? There's still double-sided tape there that will hold ribbon. So why don't we try another piece? So we're taking the ribbon, cut a piece, and then I'm trying to make those little cuts on both sides of the ribbon. Okay, like that. So now I'm adding this to the back. Okay, so let's look at it now at a close-up. Look at that. So it has some hair there. So don't they look alike now? Now they look like twins. So you see, we transformed the male skeleton into the female skeleton. So now we have two women. So stay tuned for the video because I have a room here, which I don't want to show you much, but it has a pole. So one of them is going to be pole dancing in an upcoming video. So stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching.